The outspoken veteran Cde Geza has launched a blistering attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa, declaring him unfit to lead and accusing his administration of presiding over unprecedented levels of corruption and mismanagement. Sanabena mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino tiona kuti bomusho Geza kubuda nyara mashoko achiti Mnangagwa unfit to lead the nation. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mnamubuda nyumba mchinzi. Speaking on Friday evening, after months of silence, Geza said he had deliberately withdrawn from the political scene to allow Mnangagwa time to respond to earlier demands. In quotes, I was giving Mr. Emmerson Mnangagwa time to reflect on the demands that I made, Geza explained. Looting has reached another level. Instead of responding constructively, Geza accused Mnangagwa of turning a blind eye to corruption within inner circle. Mnangagwa is even adamant. Looting has reached another level. Udatagure, Scott Sakupwanya, Wikino Chivayo are stealing at will. Geza charged, saying, the ruling elite continues to enrich itself while ordinary citizens sink deeper into poverty. Geza accusations echo widespread concerns about state capture by politically connected business figures, many of whom have been accused of benefiting from inflated government tenders and preferential contracts. In a rare and direct challenge, Geza also questioned Mnangagwa's physical fitness to remain in office, citing signs of deteriorating health. Mnangagwa's health is deteriorating, he is unfit to lead, Geza declared, warning that Zimbabwe is sliding further into crisis under the continued rule. Although Mnangagwa's health has long been a subject of speculation, Geza's public remarks add fuel to growing uncertainty around the president's ability to see out his term, let alone extend it under the controversial 2030 agenda. Geza hinted that unless urgent change occurs, pressure will mount from both within and outside ZANU-PF. His comments come at a time of deepening divisions in the ruling party, with Mnangagwa pushing for resolution number 1, an attempt to extend his presidency beyond 2028, while VP Constantino Chiwenga's camp and sections of the war veterans openly resist. Though mashoko ari kupangwa ine ari kuona kunzi bomusho Geza ari kuti mutungamiri wenyika is not fit to lead the nation. Nagome section medu mafuguro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Fana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.